It's typically three people. It's typically myself, a younger associate, and a paralegal. And usually, and not always, it's someone who's more recently come to the firm because I like everyone to get the experience. As you mentioned, we do antitrust cases and class actions, and it's hard for someone in their first year to be thrown into a deposition in a case like that. This is an opportunity for young attorneys to have responsibility, some ownership of it, and then the opportunity to talk in court, to handle a deposition. Because, my view is until you do those things, you really don't learn. You have to actually do it yourself to learn. And, Chris, as he said, he took the depositions, he argued summary judgment in front of Judge Ilston and did a tremendous job. And to the extent we can, the best thing is for the associate to take as much of a role running the case as they can with my supervision, because the point is to say, we want you to learn how to make decisions in the case, how to evaluate what the next move may be, not on your own with consultation, but it's having that sense that you're in charge of the case that leads to the confidence to then go on in other cases and do some things. And I would say, I think, Chris, I'm not positive, but he was taking the depositions in our pro bono case contemporaneous with pre-trial depositions for our trial. We were doing both at the same time, and it was beneficial because we were doing the same basic task, but just one for a pro bono case and the other for $1 billion class action. But Chris was learning on at the moment because of the work he was doing in the pro bono case. So, with lean staffing, to directly answer the question, but it's like the rewards come back immediately because then the level of Chris's experience and the others who work on this goes up so quickly for the associates.